Are you looking for the TOP5 Best Electronic Digital Caliper? In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 Best Electronic Digital Caliper on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. VINCA DCL-605 Electronic Digital Micrometer Caliper. Anyone hunting for a quality set of calipers might consider the VINCA DCL-605 Electronic Digital Micrometer. These 6-inch digital calipers from VINCA are made with polished stainless steel for durability and ease of use. The tool has a 1.5-inch LCD display and can clearly show measurements with an accuracy of up to 0.1 inches. The user can convert measurements to inches, millimeters, or fractions, and it features a data port for electronic measurement retrieval. Unfortunately, this pair of calipers doesn't come with a calibration certificate, but every model is factory calibrated before shipment. They also don't have I-54 certification, although VINCA offers a 1-year warranty and a sturdy storage case for protection. We found the VINCA to be very easy to read, both as a digital caliper and when using its analog rule. We also felt that the build quality was spot on and gave this caliper a heavy-duty feel, and while the battery cover did pop off occasionally, we felt this model was priced well. Number 2. Adoric 6-inch digital caliper is hard to beat. For an affordable option that doesn't skimp on the accuracy, this model provides measurements down to 0.1 of an inch and has a 1.5-inch wide display. The construction is all plastic, and it provides measurements in imperial or metric units. To be clear, this caliper's product description boasts carbon fiber components, but we didn't find any in the model we tested. However, we did find that the display was very easy to read, and despite being all plastic, the model was easy to use. The battery cover did pop off a few times, but the affordable price point and accuracy make it worth considering as a value-minded pick. Number 3. iGaging Absolute Origin 08 Digital Caliper. Any at-home machinist looking to upgrade from their old caliper to a serious tool should check out iGaging Absolute Original 08 Digital Caliper. This model features stainless steel construction, metric and imperial measurements, and measurements down to 0.1 inch. It also features a data port for electronic data transfer. This tool features I-54 protection, meaning that it's less likely to take damage from the elements if used outside of a controlled environment. Also, its larger size allows it to grab measurements on larger parts than the standard caliper. The iGaging Absolute Origin's larger proportions was the first thing we noticed during testing, as it can grab measurements from larger objects. Also, we like that the contrasting marks on the analog rule were easy to read, and its weather resistance adds quite a bit of value, especially when taking the type of outdoor measurements the larger jaws allow. The screen is a little small, but the digits fill it completely for semi-easy reading. Number 4. iGaging I-54 Electronic Digital Caliper 06 Display. Those who regularly work in wet conditions and need a water-resistant digital caliper will appreciate the iGaging I-54 Electronic Digital Caliper. This tool's I-54 certification ensures it can stand up to water and dirt, and it measures accurately up to 0.1 inches. It features stainless steel construction and has a 2-inch wide display with large digits for easy reading. It converts measurements between imperial, metric, and fractions as well. We found the EZ-Cal to be extremely easy to use during testing. With its extra-large digital display, contrasting analog rule, and easily operated jaws, on top of the weather resistance, this caliper's large digital display and stainless steel construction feel sturdy and reliable, and we wouldn't hesitate to use it in wet conditions. Number 5. Mitutoyo 500-750-220 Digimatic Caliper 06. Anyone who might need to measure an object or component in some truly awful conditions should check out Mitutoyo's 500-720-220 Digimatic Caliper. This model features stainless steel construction and I-67 certified protection to stand up to dirt, grime, dust, water, and even vehicle coolant and antifreeze. It takes measurements down to 0.1 of an inch and swaps between imperial and metric. Mitutoyo's digital calipers offer some of the highest levels of accuracy on the market, up to 0.5 inch. Moreover, it comes in a sleek protective case for added protection. It's expensive and offers decimal readouts only, and it lacks a data port for transferring measurements to a computer. During our test, we immediately felt the difference in build quality and materials that went into this digital caliper compared to the others. It's a heavy-duty tool, and it weighs 1 pound. We also like the weather resistance, as we felt totally comfortable measuring hoses on one of our leaky old project cars. Also, it's hard to argue with the degree of accuracy this model offers.